Good morning students. Digestion and absorption. Our next topic, digestive glands. So digestive glands are the salivary glands, gastric glands, intestinal glands, and the liver, pancreas, and gallbladder. So first topic, digestive glands, the salivary glands. First one, salivary glands. So the salivary glands are the exocrine glands. Salivary glands are the exocrine glands. You know, glands are the two types, exocrine glands and endocrine glands. Exocrine gland means presenting on the ducts. Exocrine means that gland presenting on the ducts. So these are called the exocrine glands. So endocrine gland means that glands there is no presenting of the ducts, absent of the ducts. Ductless glands means endocrine glands. Duct gland means these are the exocrine gland. For example, these are the salivary gland. So they are presenting on the duct. So these are called the exocrine glands. Salivary glands are the exocrine glands. Next one, the salivary human being. The salivary glands are the presenting on the three pairs. The human being presenting on the salivary glands three pairs. First one is the parotid glands. First one, parotid gland. Second one, submaxillary gland. Second one, submaxillary gland. Third one, sublingual gland. Third one, sublingual gland. The human presenting on the three pairs of the salivary glands. First one, parotid glands. First pair is the parotid gland. Second one is the submaxillary gland. Second one, submaxillary gland. That submaxillary gland is also called as submandibular gland. Submandibular gland. The third one is the sublingual gland. Third one, sublingual gland. First one, the parotid glands is located from the below the ear pinna. These are located from the below the ear pinna. So this region presenting on the ear. So these are the parotid glands is presenting on the below the ear pinna. Second one, submaxillary gland. These are located from the angle of the lower jaw. Angle of the lower jaw. They are presenting on the angle of the lower jaw. So these are the submandibular gland. Next one, third one is the sublingual gland. Third one is the sublingual gland. The sublingual gland, these are presenting on the below the tongue. So these are the below the tongue. So these are the sublingual gland. The human being contain a three pairs of the salivary glands. First one, parotid glands. The parotid glands presenting on the below the ear pinna. Second one, submaxillary or submandibular gland. So these are located from the angle of lower jaw. Angle of the lower jaw. So third one is the sublingual gland. Third one, sublingual gland. The sublingual gland is located from the below the tongue. Below the tongue. So these are the three pairs of the salivary glands. Next one, other mammals. Other mammals, like example rabbit. So these are presenting on the four pairs of salivary glands. They are presenting on the four pairs of the salivary glands. So they include the a pair of infraorbital gland. So the other mammals, just example rabbit. The rabbit contain a four pairs of the salivary glands. One, parotid gland. Second one, submandibular gland. Third one, sublingual gland. The fourth one, infraorbital gland. Fourth gland is the infraorbital gland. So they are the difference between the man and mammals. Man only presenting on the three pairs of the salivary glands. But other mammals, just example rabbit, presenting on the four pairs of the salivary glands. That fourth gland is the infraorbital gland. Next one, the salivary glands is formed by the cells. The salivary glands is formed by the cells. That cells is called the serous cells. Gland is, the cells are called the serous cells, and second one is the mucous cells. The salivary gland is formed by the two types of the cell. One type of the cells is the serous cells. Another type of the cells is called the mucous cells. Serous cells and mucous cells. The serous cells, first one, serous cells. The serous cells secreted by the salivary amylase. The serous cells secreted by the salivary amylase. So these are the enzyme. That enzyme is also called as thiolin. That enzyme is also called as thiolin. Next one, the mucous cells. The mucous cells secreted for the mucus. The mucus cells secreted for the mucus. The salivary glands is formed by the two types of the cells. First one, serous cells. The serous cells secreted by the salivary amylase enzyme. Second one cell is the mucous cells. That mucous cells is secreted for the mucus. Next one, the saliva contain the salivary amylase. Total saliva contain salivary amylase, lysozyme, water, mucin and salts and etc. So they are all presenting on the human saliva. First one, next one, the saliva. So saliva per day releasing from the human being, per day releasing from the 750 to 1000 ml per day. Saliva per day releasing from the 750 to 1000 ml, 750 to 1000 ml. Saliva per day releasing from the 750 ml to 1000 ml per day. Saliva pH 6.8. The saliva pH is the 6.8. Next one, the saliva 99% water. The saliva 99% presenting on the water. Only 1% presenting on the solutes. Only 1% is presenting on the solutes. Only 1% presenting on the solutes. The saliva per day releasing from the human beings, a man's, so 750 to 1000 ml per day. The saliva pH is the 6.8. The saliva pH 6.8. So next one, the saliva contain a 99% water. The saliva 99% water. Only 1% is solutes. Only 1% is solutes. The solutes are the salivary amylase. Salivary amylase. One is the salivary amylase, another one is the lysozyme. Salivary amylase, another one is the lysozyme. So salivary amylase functioning is the digestion of carbohydrates. Digestion of carbohydrates. Digestion of carbohydrates. Lysozyme function. So lysozyme function. So the lysozyme function is these are the kills bacteria. Kills bacteria. So these are the saliva. Revise, saliva per day, the human being per day releasing from the 750 to 1000 ml. The saliva pH is the 6.8. The saliva contain a 99% water, only 1% solutes. Next one, solutes are the salivary amylase and lysozyme. So the salivary amylase functioning is the digestion of carbohydrates. Digestion of carbohydrates. So lysozyme functioning is kills the bacteria. Kills the bacteria. So these are the human salivary glands. The salivary glands are the three pairs: parotid gland, submaxillary glands, sublingual glands. Parotid glands is located from the below the ear pinna. Submaxillary glands is presenting on the angle of lower jaw. Sublingual glands is presenting on the below the tongue. Next one, other mammals like or rabbit, they are presenting on the four pairs of the salivary glands: parotid glands, submaxillary glands, sublingual glands, and fourth one is the infraorbital glands. Next one, the salivary glands is formed by the two types of the cells. One is the serous cells, one is the serous cells, another one is the mucous cells. Serous cells is secreted from the salivary amylase. The mucous cells secreted for the mucus. These two combined from the saliva. So the saliva per day releasing from the 750 to 1000 ml per day. The saliva pH is the 6.8. Next one, the saliva contain a 99% water, 1% solutes. The solutes are the salivary amylase and lysozyme. Salivary amylase functioning is the digestion of carbohydrates. Lysozyme functioning is the kills bacteria.